Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Blue Wave 18-foot by 52-inch above-ground pool with cover. Bring affordable family fun and relaxation to any backyard with the active frame above-ground swimming pool. This quick assembly pool is constructed from heavy-gauge PVC that is reinforced with an inner layer of polyester mesh and supported by a sturdy metal frame for superior durability. The SkimmerPlus filtration system provides full-surface skimming with a removable skimmer basket for efficient, easy cleaning. Its cartridge filter with a built-in chlorinator keeps the water crystal clear all season long. Product benefits: an A-frame ladder, matching pool cover, maintenance kit, SkimmerPlus filter, and Type C filter cartridge are all included. Crafted from heavy-gauge PVC and reinforced with polyester mesh. 90-day limited warranty. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.